Congratulations, you have been selected for a job. It's a very big thing, but is that good enough? No. Apart from selection, utilization of your professional skills and your experience, organization has to be, expects you to be acceptable. We are going to talk about acceptability at the workplace. Acceptability is important for your career because that utilizes the utilization of your education, qualification and experience, and also helps in relationship because people feel more confident in this thing. So this my talk today will help you to understand some concepts of acceptability. Acceptability is a very wide term. Being acceptable as a bride to or a bridegroom, father and the son, be accepted various relationships. As stated, we are going to talk in the work situation. Imagine your boss being unshaven man and disabled hairdressing or a dirty trouser, or if you were seeing me today talking in disjointed sector, you will not like to listen to my lecture. Okay, how will you react? What will be your reaction to him? Will you take instructions for him? Can your office present him in front of the customer? And lesson 1, you should not be like him. I'm sure you would not like to him. Other things being equal, you will have a additional edge if you follow the acceptability norm. Now, what are the advantages of effectiveness? Receptivity. It increases your receptivity, readiness to receive favorable proposals, orders, advice among your peers, subordinates, superiors, your customers, your relatives, friends. Taking the last example, if you are more receptive, and then you have an advantage. Now, receptive against what standards? So, receptivity has to be against certain standards. These standards vary. You see, time is limited. You need to focus where you can make an impact and where you can produce results. So, understanding the limitation of time, you have to increase your receptivity and thereby acceptability. Effectiveness. Effectiveness has 3 elements: cost, time and resources. So, with the relationship between acceptability and effectiveness is that receptivity of a person increases and instructions are understood and implemented, thus leading to higher productivity. Let's see acceptability from the organization point of view. What are they thinking? For them, acceptability is to satisfy a need. A big organization has varied kinds of needs. It may be harmonious relationship, it may be well-dressed people, it may be so the acceptability standard should be adequate to satisfy that needs. Similarly, in an organization, the acceptability varies in different scenarios. Now, to implement the acceptability requirements. You have to create acceptability standards. The acceptability standards covered every organizations and their routine. They could cover punctuality, drinking in workplace, decorum, reporting relationship, etc. So, and normally the acceptability standards would be quite uniform. However, in different organizations, different groups can have different standards. But to make sure that you adhere, enhance your acceptability, you have to follow certain traits. First trait is that communication. You should be able to communicate well, communicate the language of the organization. Number two, your physical appearance, your own presentation should be of a stature which is acceptable to other people. If you are at a workplace in a machine shop, your standards are different. If you are a salesperson, your standards are different. Commercial awareness. You must be commercially aware. Commercially awareness means knowledge about industry, knowledge gain about various aspects which help you to understand the company's problems, company's organization, company's goals, company's tasks. These you can pick up. They are extremely your own matter of thought how you're going to pick up. Pick up from the website, pick up from the brochure, but you have to do it. So now I say again, acceptability has one part communication, other part commercial awareness, third part presentation, grooming. So these are the parts of the acceptability. Apart from that, acceptability is also important. Loyalty. Are you loyal to the company? What is your commitment level? What is your honesty and integrity? What is the enthusiasm? Do you do the work enthusiastically? You're happy to put in a little extra bit? Are you a reliable guy who will not, for tomorrow morning, not come to work if the work was very important? Do you have common sense? Do you require detailed instructions? Do you require short instructions? That is common sense. Do you have a positive self-esteem about yourself? Do you have negative thoughts about yourself? Because that again will depend upon the outcome of your result. Sense of humor. Sense of humor is very essential in easing the situations. Do you have a balanced attitude towards work and life? Can you deal with pressure? What is your motivation level? Can you adapt to the various things? Why I am mentioning all this is that when you are in an interview situation, these are the qualities which are the parameters by which a person will be judging you apart from your technical skills. Sometimes when a person says that, oh, I've not been selected, I've not got my promotion, then he has to look back at the, yes, one thing is productivity, then other thing is the acceptability standards. You have to understand them. Read again, hear this video time and again, and try to be more acceptable in the workplace. Website is www.learn-through-web.com. Thank you.